Hey Praisers and Savers, I am at my local Walmart and I wanted to run to the clearance section to see if they had any good deals this morning, and they do. So let me show you what's going on. So the very first thing I found in the clearance section was the Starbucks tiramisu coffee, the 22 count. They are $5 on clearance. I scanned it in the Walmart app because it's not listed, and then I have a $1.50 coupon. Now I got this $1.50 coupon in I think another box of coffee or something with some K-Cups. So that's going to bring it down to $3.50 for this large box of K-Cups. That is amazing. So my Pace Salsa is back on the IBOTTA app. This is $1.62, 50 cents off from the IBOTTA app. Makes it $1.12. You can do this deal 5 times. So this is one of my absolutely favorite deals. It's not one of the freebies, but I don't care because I hardly can get good dish soap on sale. So this is $3.97. There is a $2 IBOTTA on the app. Makes it $1.97, and it's a limit of 3. So IBOTTA keeps bringing this deal back, and I'll keep buying it every time. I can't believe it. It has happened again. I have been to another Walmart, and they actually have the Febreze plugins. These are $2.94. There's a coupon to get one free. So this is an absolutely free coupon. There's no BOGO to this. You just get a free coupon no matter what for this. So the item is going to be free. $2.94 will be taken off. Now it says up to a $3 value, but we're not needing that. It's just going to take off the $2.94 value for this. And this is a limit of 2. So I'm going to get 2 plugins, which is the last bit of plug-in coupons that I have. And this coupon actually runs out this week, so make sure you pick these up if you have these coupons. So this 7th generation is showing up on the Shopkicks app. It is worth 425 scans and kicks. They are $2.77 today, and with the 425 scans and kicks, it takes off $1.70. So these will be $1.07 per bottle. This is going to be one of the glitch deals on IBOTTA right now. So 2 offers is coming off on this. You have to get the Fabuloso antibacterial. If you don't like the smell of Fabuloso, because some people do not, you can donate this to your food bank, because food banks are always accepting cleaning supplies. I probably donate more cleaning supplies than I would the food stuff, because they get a lot of food stuff here where we live. So Fabuloso antibacterial is $2.97. 2 of the offers are coming off, and they're $1 each. So $2.97 minus $2 is 97 cents. And I think you can do this deal 3 times or 5 times. I'm not sure. Look at the picture. I have hit the holy grail of baby wipes. Thank you to Sisters Saving You Cents. I watched your video the other day, and I saw that you guys got these Huggies and Natural Care wipes. They are usually $5.38 for this 3-pack, and it's like the individual little pop-up packs. So that's 168 wipes in there. And I'm assuming it's 56 wipes per pack. That'll be 168 total. Guys, these are $1.78. I can't believe it. So this would be so good for presents, but also if I want to break open some of the bags and just take out like the individual wipes there, because it's like in this individual dispenser, I could put those in blessing bags. So these are only $1.78 for the whole pack. So let me show you the barcode. So I scanned these on Walmart.com, the app. I use that to help me. So here is the barcode. 31890 is the last 5, and like I said, they are marked for $5.38. So I hope you guys do not shop in the Irmo, South Carolina store, because I'm about to clear this shelf out. $1.78, amazing. All right, guys, so I had to get a price override on the wipes. They were $5.38, but she was able to do it for $1.78. Ignore those 2 right there, they're not counting. So I got 18 packs of wipes, so it'll be about $32, and there's taxes involved. Amazing, look at all the wipes. All right, guys, I'm leaving Walmart now with so many wipes that my cart is heavy. I usually get more items, but I just wanted to check out after I found those wipes. And I had to get, the customer service override deal. And then I felt bad because then I used a Fetch gift card, and every time you use a Fetch gift card, you have to get a customer service override for those 2. So I know they were like, oh my gosh, I want this lady to leave. But I was so excited about those $1.78 wipes. I even checked it like 3 times. They were like, how'd you do this? Where'd you get the picture? I was like, I just scanned it on the Walmart app. So I like showed her the picture. That wasn't enough. So then I scanned it on the Walmart app. That wasn't enough. Let me get my stuff. And then she had to scan on her own Walmart app. And she was like, why are these $1.78? I was like, I don't know. That's what y'all have priced. And she's like, but they're not ringing up that. I was like, I know. But you guys do price matching. So they're in store. They're stocked. They're your wipes. Anyways, I'm so super excited. Look at my cart. Look at all those wipes. Like, I've got it like 3 deep in there. It's amazing. All right, praisers. So leaving Walmart, I'm on a total wipes high. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, I get it. The wipes. But so many great things with those wipes. I have 5 kiddos that so I've got to make sure they have clean hands all summer long while we're riding around. Also blessing bags, break those open and put them in blessing bags. And then I have a nephew, he is not even a year old. Shout out to my little Sachi baby. And I'm gonna give a lot of those to my brother and his wife, my sister-in-law. I will say this, I'm gonna start when I go into stores, possibly doing like an hour timer. I know that sounds crazy, but what ends up happening a lot of times is I'll go into the store and like an hour pass and I don't even realize it. I'm not like a slow shopper. I'm pretty quick. But I'm gonna have to start cutting myself off, you know, at an item number, like an amount of items, or, you know, give myself a timer, because I feel like sometimes I'm in the stores a lot longer than I think I am. I think I'm in there, you know, 30 minutes and it's like an hour and a half, because I'm filming and I'm also like getting the deals and checking prices on Walmart app and that sort of thing. But guys, you know, don't just look at the tag on the shelf for some of the items that I tell you about, or you see other people do it. Like, make sure you price match it on walmart.com. So you'll go to walmart.com and then I think you click on walmart.com app, and then you click on other services, and then a bunch of different like widgets come up and you can click scan item. So do that so you can make sure. That's one thing I did with that Starbucks coffee, because when I went over to the clearance rack, they didn't have any like tags on the clearance items, and so that's why I scanned that Starbucks coffee and was, you know, it said $5. And I was able to use that $1.50 coupon. So always check it if you hear that there's clearance items. I'm not the best at shopping clearance items because I'm not like, you know, I see what's on the shelf and then I'm done with it. But if someone says there's a really good deal on something that I really need, like those wipes, then I'm gonna run to the store and get it. And the lady who helped me, she was so sweet. I think her name was Gigi. I'm pretty sure it was Gigi, and she has a baby as well. So I told her there was like some packs of wipes like on the shelf I couldn't reach, so to go ahead and grab those. And $1.78, that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna get home, take a picture of the haul for you guys so you can see everything I got, and then I've got to submit some receipts to IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Fetch, and Swag Bucks. And if you are not with any of those rebate apps, affiliated with those rebate apps, make sure that you look in the description for my referral code. You get some different cashback type things, and then I also get something too. And I think even some of them are as high as getting $10 when you sign up. I know Fetch is on like $2, but I think IBOTTA might be about $10 right now. I'm not sure. So check that out. Also, the printable description for everything I did is in the description box. Print that off, take it to the store with you. It helps a ton. I try to write notes off to the side, like if it's to IBOTTA, IBOTTA rebates coming off, that sort of thing. Print that off, take it to the store with you. It's a tremendous help for you. I know it is. So check that out. What else? Make sure you smash that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and also share with your friends. That really helps me out that you guys are sharing. That way I can keep bringing all these amazing deals for you. So let's get home, and I'm gonna lay out everything I got and also submit those receipts for you guys to see how much I actually paid today. All right, Cravers and Savers, we're back, and I already took a picture of the Huggies to show you guys, but I actually had the kids take those downstairs because we were trying to eat breakfast, and then it was covering my entire breakfast table. So Let Me Shine detergent tab is one of my favorite items I get. Sorry, I'm trying stuff. So they were $3.97. Take those $2 off IBOTTAs. You can do this deal 3 times, so pick those up. The 7th generation, make sure that you do the scans and the kicks to get that down, I think, to $1.07. The Starbucks coffee was on clearance. They were $5 each. And then I had a $1.50 coupon that I got in a box that we bought some other coffee cups. And also I had a coupon from when we bought the Keurig machine. The Febreze plugins were absolutely free. They were $2.97, and the $2.97 coupon came off, no problem at all. The paste salsa, it is $1.62. 50 cents came off on IBOTTA, and I think you can do this 5 times. If you're having a party or anything, you could get that and use it as one of the things that you serve at your party. And then the Fabuloso, it is actually you have to get the antibacterial kind, and it is a glitch on IBOTTA, taken off $2, so it makes that 97 cents. And like I said before, make sure that you get those Huggies natural care wipes. They were $5.38, and in my when I scanned them in the Walmart app, they were $5.38, and I scanned it, and it was $1.78. And there was a problem at the register. It did ring at $5.38. I called the little girl over. She changed it to $1.78. No problem at all. Worked great. The only problem I had was I tried to use one of my Fetch Fetch gift card, because I usually, when I turn in my points from Fetch or Shopkicks or IBOTTA, I always get the Walmart gift card, so I could just use that at the register. And so she had to come and override that to use the Fetch gift card. But anyways, overall, everything went well. I got $8.60 back on my IBOTTA. And 425 kicks, which I think is $1.70 kicks back on my Fetch, which is so funny. I got back some Fetch points with the Huggies wipes, but it only added up to about 3 cents with the Fetch rewards. It was funny. I was so excited that when I clicked on it, the Fetch came, the wipes were on the Fetch reward, and then I looked at it, it was only like 340 points, which is like 3 cents. So anyways, all right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out the description box for the printable breakdown.